Here we are, first time out on Rainy Lake this spring, and we got the whole lake to ourselves. Had a little snow this morning, so all the wimps are in the house. Mike's motor even started. First try. My garage is still bolted shut. Herb's coming tomorrow. We'll have to undo a panel so we can get in because there's no doors that work. We don't even know if the north arm is ice-free yet. We're going to find out though. It looked like Sand Bay is wide open though, right, from your house?
Oh, it is wide open.
Yeah.
When you go to the east 2 days ago, when you got to 8 Mile, you could see ice out there.
Yeah.
That was 2 days ago.
Shortcut that didn't work out so good. We're going to try to wiggle our way through all this ice. We're still going to have one little spot up there that you're going to have to plow through.